This little charmer is nestled in an established and completely darling neighborhood. Cute as it can be with its white siding and red door, this home is cozy with an open floor plan that makes it seem bigger than it is. The kitchen is a real knockout. Completely renovated in 2018 with granite countertops, granite composite sink, KDC Brooklyn all-wood soft close cabinets and black stainless appliances. Pinewood blinds, Italian tile and rich hardwood floors. The bedrooms are generously sized with ample closets. The primary bedroom has double sinks, which is a real plus. A large beautiful backyard west/storage shed and room for yard games complete this.